Bitcoin is pushing up to 85. Here's why. And the whole argument is that this is moving into our sell zone. So yesterday we had a little, while I was actually on YouTube in the afternoon, we had a little pump and tag. So according to this screen, you should already be in the short, but I'm going to just move it with you guys because that's BS. I didn't take it. Neither did you guys. Nobody's taking it. Okay. John says it's 7 p.m. down under. Yes, buddy, your day is almost done and mine is not even started. And then I want to talk you guys through this specific long. So let's get into this. So the basis on the long, if I were to zoom out, I'm going to use my trading panel, not the YouTube panel. So if it looks a little bit more, a lot more lines, a little bit more technical, guys, I'm a technical trader. So you need to understand that when I do this and give you guys these setups, there's a lot of thought that goes behind that. It's not just me sucking the stuff out. So if it feels like it's a little overwhelming, don't worry. I'm going to get back to this and I'll just mark it out on this just to give you guys a really good idea of where we're at. Okay, so I'm going to do the following. This is a typical market tactics. So I start off with the weekly time frame. I do a little bit of a report there for the guys. And the basis is that if Bitcoin wants to go and make a higher high on the weekly, we've got two distinct areas with price need to go. 88,000, then I'm bullish as hell, okay? Then I'll swing long again, okay? And a nice buy zone for that would be at around 78,000 daily. If we can get above the previous day doji, if we can get above this point, 83,800, oh, this long is going to run. It's going to run into our imbalance, and that's at 85. And that's why I want to wait and why I'm bullish short-term, scalp long, basically, in order to swing short still. Because the weekly is nowhere at the moment, and the daily is telling me that there is a demand zone test that's going to be sitting at 78. And if the market really wants to hurt a lot of people, let's flush all these longs out. Do yourself a solid and stop trying to pick bottoms and tops. Now, it's hard because that's what traders want to do. We want to get in low, sell high. Wait for hidden. Learn how to trade hidden bullish divergence. Because when there's a market of uncertainty, meaning we're not trending strong bullish, you wait for your hidden bullish divergence because at least you know the trend has been established. So now you can sit in, and which means that this was the area we bought. We're running with momentum. I can sit back, relax, watch my exchange, see how the money is ticking into my account, and wait for my short. And this is the next setup. So now I'm going to slim this or simplify this whole thing back down, and I'm going to go to this chart setup that you guys are used to. Okay, there's an imbalance in the market. There's a lot of volume, big orders, faced with a lot of small orders. So by that definition, it doesn't guarantee whether there's going to be a reversal or not, but it gives you a good opportunity. Is it smart money buying versus stupid money buying? You know, remember this entry was generated on a 4-hour time frame, and the take profit for that, TP1 for that, is only 70. This link, I'll copy this link, drop it in the chat for you guys. Support the content, get your Blowfin account. But if you do that with this link, you get this special win and spin advantage. So I'm going to play this. I'm going to expand the screen, just play this. So every $10,000 trading volume you do. So if you take one trade, it basically is $10,000. If you're $100 and you, but 100x or however strong your leverage would be. For every time you hit that volume in trading, you get an opportunity to spin. Now I'm going to pause the screen here. I just want to point out to you guys the prizes. Like a 0.1 of an XRP is useless to me. 1 ETH looks really good. Half a BTC, 10K trading volume. You have an opportunity to put some money in your account. Alts have been experiencing a little bit of a bear slump. You know, it's just the reality of things. So, you know, it's an easy way to get some free cash for the next run. So guys, consider if you're trading just these simple setups that you need to start looking at going short. Maybe give the RSI a little time to just kind of catch up with everything there, because it's maybe at this given moment a little early, but within the next run, we'll probably hit that 85 pretty soon. And then it's time to go short. Simple as that. Keep it sane. Don't let the FOMO and the FOMO guys get you into a new trap.